I'd say we can call this a myth busted. You can't work bees wearing black. What do you say, Keith?
Sometimes you have to do what you gotta do. It'd be alright.
Just so you can say that there's actually bees in there. Not propaganda, not a stunt. You just don't have to deal with mean bees. Sometimes you just have to deal with bees that don't want to draw comb like they should. They are definitely
Them are stingless bees.
stingless bees. Yeah, okay. Sure.
That's why I'm being so gentle with them.
So gentle and so slow.
It's all I gotta do with a lot with the body language.
Body language, state of mind. If
And
you're
love for
mad, they're going to get mad.
And love for the bee.
And the speed with which you work them.
Ta-da!
Ta-da! All right, that's Woolly Bees. We're out here in the country. Out in the middle of nowhere. Just give you a quick look around. 4 or 5 hives here, 4 or 5 there. Hit that like and subscribe. Share the videos.